अभी तक आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और ये बेल आइकन की घंटी को
Welcome back to Gadget View. New details have been revealed about the successor of the Huawei P10, which will go by the name Huawei P20. Leaked schematics reveal that there will be the bottom bezel will serve as the home of the fingerprint scanner for both devices. The third and highest model, called the Huawei P20 Pro, has almost non-existent bezels. The bezel on the bottom is much slimmer, while its top portion comes in the form of a notch, like the one found on the Apple iPhone X. With this design, Huawei will be able to keep the necessities on this part of the device, like the selfie snappers, sensors, and earpiece, while pushing for an all-screen design. The fingerprint scanner on the Huawei P20 Pro is found on the back, but those who have been following the news about the flagship would know that this will not be the primary means to unlock the smartphone, with the company working on the Face ID, which the company takes pride in, and claims will be better than that of Apple. Oddly enough, the tech for the Face ID is not featured in the schematics, so it will be interesting to see how it will be implemented on the Huawei P20 Pro. As for the imaging side of things, Huawei is taking to the next level the dual camera setup, which is another new trend in the mobile space. All three versions of the Huawei P20 will come with not just 2 but 3 modules. These cameras are arranged vertically on the Huawei P20 Pro and the Huawei P20 Plus, but horizontally on the regular model. Huawei P20 will be powered by the most powerful SoC by Huawei, the Kirin 970, which also has a neural processing unit dedicated to artificial intelligence. There should be 6 or even more GB of RAM and an internal storage of 64 GB, at least. With a capacity of 4000 mAh battery, with fast charging support, the battery should be one of the biggest ones in the flagship's market. The operating system will probably be Android 8.1, which is customized with EMUI 8.0. According to recent rumors, Huawei P20 should be priced around 4,000 yuan in China, which roughly translates into $615. So guys, what do you think about Huawei P20? Share your comment down below.